Hello everyone. Today we have this 1949 Chevy half-ton, and this one is sitting on a newer S10 frame. And it just has that perfect patina look to it. Cab is nice and solid. No leaks, anything like that. A little bit of rot on the running board there, but just cosmetic. Everything where it needs to be is solid. It's got all new glass in it, new rubbers, new wheels, tires. And this one also does have the 5.3 liter. Go ahead and show you that. So that's just mostly stock, and it does have air conditioning. And it works great. Ice cold. Let's go ahead and fire it up for you and you can hear it. Starts right up. Gauges work. Got new modern radio. Vintage looking, but modern. There's your air conditioning controls. Newer style GM bench seat with the flip down console. Everything works on this one. It is ready to drive. Just hop in and go. Have the little battery box back here. So yeah, if you got any questions, reach out and let me know. Thank you. Alright, we'll give you a little driving video here of the truck. This thing runs down the road great. Fires right up every time, but that's what you get with the LS. Gauges all work. The speedometer is a GPS speedometer.